Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a new collection on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select products. After selecting products, you're going to tap on collections. Then from there, you're going to tap on create new collection in the top right-hand corner. After selecting create new collection, from here you can input your collection name. So let's say for example, I'll just call this collection Xmas. So we're going to do that. Then you could add a description and you also have different collection types. So you can either choose to manually add the products or you can tap on automated and from there you can select different tags or so on that you would like to use to put a product in a collection. I'm going to be selecting manual. After you have done that, all you will need to do now, from here you could tap on browse and you can select the product that you would like to add in the collection. Then you will tap on add. After doing that, you're going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. Now that you have done that, you have now created your first collection as you can see right here. In the future, you can add different products to your collection by tapping on search products and you will be able to add new products. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button